Hi, I'm Tim Eaton. We're back with Expert Village, and we've just finished our scraping step on the paint repair of this fence here, and now we're moving on to sanding. Now ideally, if you have a big job where there's a lot of paint repair that needs to be done, you want to use an electric sander. Get it at any home improvement store, less than $50. You're going to want to use maybe 80 or 120 grit sandpaper, something not too fine, but also not too coarse. And once you do that, you just put the sandpaper on like the diagram would show and go at it. Now, since we're doing a smaller job, we're going to use this sanding sponge here. Also very cheap. You can get it at any home improvement store. It's got different sides of it have different coarseness. So you just want to pick one that's a medium coarseness and just kind of hold it with one hand, all 5 fingers around there, and you just kind of want to rub it all around what you've just scraped to kind of dull the edge of the good paint that's still on there, because that edge is going to be kind of sharp and it won't look right when you repaint it. So you just want to get in there and sand in all directions. Make sure you hit all those edges. So the point is just to basically make it nice and smooth. So you do that, get them nice and smooth, feel it with your hand without your glove, and you can tell it's real nice and smooth, no chance of any chips or splinters, and you'll be good for that step. And then you'll move on to the next step, which is the paint repair.